Well, Q4 is finally here. You've been waiting for it the whole year, saying that you're finally gonna lock in Q4. Well, it's day one. The day is already over. What have you done today? If you're in a different time zone, you still have another half day to get some stuff done. Because the only way you're gonna achieve your goals during Q4 is if you already have a plan. Okay, do you have a plan? Do you already have a profitable online store running? Those are issues that you need to fix if the answer is no. Personally, my goal is to do a 10K day with Ecom. And I know that if I continue to live the way I've been living the entire year, I'm going to hit it, bro. Because at the beginning of the year, I just wanted to do a $200 day with Ecom. Now tell me how the hell I did a 1K day and a 2K day. It's because I was consistent. And now, if you're in e-commerce, and if you're watching my content, I'm assuming you are, this is the best time to be in e-commerce because of all the sales periods, bro. There's Halloween, Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, Christmas, New Year's. There's so many things and other events that I've not mentioned in there. Like right now, I just ordered a product. Okay, I'm gonna be selling this one for Halloween. I already had my plan. I already ordered the product 2 weeks ago. And I know I'm gonna make money from it. And you know I'm gonna make money from it. Which is why you're subscribed for the next video. Q4 is the period of telling everybody no. No going out. No wasting time with people. No YouTube. No watching other YouTubers that aren't me. You need to take full control of your time. If you're watching something, it has to be directly benefiting you. It has to be educational. Because during this time period, 95% of humans are now starting to slow down. They're talking about, oh, the year is over. It's time for me to go on holiday. And I've noticed that the work that you put in when everybody else is not working tends to have like 2 times the effect. So while everybody is resting during the Christmas season going on holiday, your ass needs to be in the crib crunching numbers so that when they're at work in January and February, you're on holiday when all the spots are empty. So now my question for you guys is, what is your plan for Q4? What do you aim to achieve before these 3 months end? How many sales do you plan to get? How many stores do you plan to open? Or however you make money, how many of that are you planning to do? Set them in stone now. And number 2, you don't just write down goals. You have to hold yourself accountable. If you don't achieve your goal, there has to be a penalty. And this whole concept is why people get mentors. Somebody else that can hold them accountable. Don't cheat on your goals. If you write that you're going to do something on the whiteboard, goddamn, you better do it. Hey, look at this. Everything here I've done. Need to paid AI video out. I'm going to upload a video about the Q4 niches. I didn't even count this video. All this shit, I've done it. All of that, I'm going to do it. And as a result of that, is more money going to enter my bank account? Of course, bro. So, if you've been struggling with trying to make money, trying to stay consistent the whole year, then accept that you just need external help. In short, buy my course now. I'm just being real. I make money doing what I say I do, unlike many other people. And if you want to learn it, then you know what to do. Lock in this Q4, regardless of whether you join or not. Lock in this Q4, make some money, inspire the youth. Let's go.